In this video, I'll be discussing 9 ways to prepare yourself before starting to write your journal. If you would like to know more about journaling, please subscribe to this channel and press the notification button to receive new videos when they are released. Let's go over how you can prepare yourself before journaling. Number 1, choose a peaceful and private place. This could be inside or outside if the weather is nice. Number 2, you will need to choose a quiet time in your home or let others know that you don't want to be disturbed. Place your mobile phone on silence and turn it over on its face so you don't see the flashing notifications. Number 3, you will need the equipment that you'll need to use to record your thoughts. Make sure you have enough paper in your notebook. If you have chosen to write, make sure that your pen works and that you like the way how it feels when you hold it and how it writes. Number 4, prepare yourself before you start journaling by relaxing. Focus on deep breathing or stretching to relax the body and calm the mind. Number 5, make sure you have a drink. This could be water or a drink that you like to drink. Number 6, play nature sounds like birds, the sea, or thunderstorms. Number 7, you may need support from someone after you've written in your journal if the topic is challenging for you or another topic triggered a memory from the past. Number 8, allow enough time to use your journal. You don't want to feel rushed. You may want to reflect on your journal entry. And number 9, give yourself permission to finish early. If you're unable to record your thoughts or don't have much to record. Well, I hope you found those 9 ways to prepare yourself to journal useful. Please leave a comment below and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.